Welcome to our tutorial on how to archive a group on WhatsApp Web using your PC. Follow these steps to efficiently organize and archive your group chats on the WhatsApp Web platform. To begin, open www.whatsapp.com on your PC. Access WhatsApp Web through your web browser to manage your group chats and proceed with archiving specific group conversations. Hover over the group that you want to archive. By hovering over the group, you can access additional options for managing that specific group conversation. Click on the ellipsis symbol, V, located next to the group. This will open a drop-down menu with various actions you can take for that group. Select the Archive Chat option from the drop-down menu. By choosing to archive the group chat, you will move it to the Archive Chats section, keeping your main chat list organized and clutter-free. By following these simple steps, you can effectively archive a group chat on WhatsApp Web using your PC, ensuring better organization and easy access to your important group conversations. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy archiving your group chats on WhatsApp Web and keep your group conversations well organized for a seamless messaging experience. Happy group chatting!